Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another interesting video. Common question asked in Amazon interviews. So we're given a table. As you see, we have the name of the product like ABC. This is the order ID. For example, in order ID 1, the customer purchased 3 products C, B and A. Okay, and we also have the customer ID. Now the question is to find the pair of product combos in each order ID. So for example, in order ID 1, as we saw, we have 3 products ABC. We have to display AB, BC and AC, right? The 3 combos in pairs. We have to show that per order ID. How can we go about doing it? First step, like I'm just selecting star, as you see everything from the table. Here we have to use a concept called self join, joining the table with the same table or with itself, right? So I'll say a dot product. Okay, I will say a dot order ID from this table and I will join it with the same table, product combo, give it a name B, and from B I will just select the product column. Okay, and of course I want to do this join on order ID level, so I'll say join on a dot order ID equal to B dot order ID. Okay, so this is the first step. Now you see in each we are getting the combo, like so you have like the product C and A, right? You have B and A, you have A and A also, so all the mapping for each order ID, right? The 3 products here versus the 3 products there, they are getting combined, right? So how can we bring this together? Obviously we can also add another column like concat, so you can say concat of A dot product and B dot product. Right, so now I have the combinations here, right? So we are almost getting to the answer, but we don't want the combination of product with itself like A, B, B and C, C. I don't want it there, so I can just give another condition where A dot product not equal to B dot product. So by doing that, now we have removed the A, B, B, C, C cases, but we still have like these combos, right? For order ID 1, we have CA, we also have the AC, we have BA, we also have the AB, we have CB, we also have BC. But we know CB or BC, they are the same combo, right? It's the same products, just in reverse order. So we want to remove one of them. So for that, what we can do is have another condition, A dot product less than B dot product. So what this will do, as you see in the output, now in like order ID 1, it will show only the 3 combos AB, BC and AC. You can give it a name as combo. Okay, so in order ID 1, these are the 3 combos, right? So by doing this less than condition, we essentially eliminated the other 3, which is BA, CB and CA. Okay, so hope you enjoy this, and as an extension, if you want, you can also do group concat. I will cover it in another video and combine these 3 into one particular cell per order ID as well. So this is the output. So order ID 1, we have the 3 combos. Order ID 2, we have BD, AD and AB essentially. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, bye.